This is travel diary number 3 from the Hoover Dam.
The what?
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. Wheat thins.
I don't know if we're in Arizona or Nevada.
This is Arizona, right? No.
Yeah,
both. This is Arizona right now.
That's with Nevada, though.
Yeah, but we're on the Arizona side.
Oh.
Right?
I know. I think we're on the Nevada side.
Oh, okay. Do you have anything to tell them?
It's really tall.
Yeah.
It might make you want to puke if you look down.
It's pretty cool.
Are you going to give them a 360?
Yeah, I'll give them a 360. Here you go. It's pretty freaking steep.
Show them the bridge?
Yeah, I'll get there. And there's the bypass bridge that they just built a while ago.
You can, if you look really hard, you can see little tiny people's heads looking over the bridge. You show them statues? No, you can't really see them. They're in the shade now.
Cool.
Okay, headed to Vegas.
Yeah, this was our little stop. Now we're going to go on to Vegas and party all night long. Right?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. See you guys later.